Yo, welcome to my video. This is the first video of my devlog on DUNGE. DUNGE is a game. Last year I worked on it a lot. However, I did it in Scratch, so it's not really that interesting. But this year I'm actually making it in an actual coding language like Java right now. Doing it in processing, and in this video I'm gonna be adding like a basic button, like text rendering, showing like text, as I said, and having functional buttons. I already made some basic stuff, and the rest, yeah, I'm gonna code in this video. I hope you enjoy. Right, so here we are. I already made like a basic thing last night and this morning. I worked on it already. And right now all I've got is a simple square, which my engine sees as a button. So that's good. This is practically a button. This draws because of the function uh, button, because the function button is called this draws. So now I'm just gonna make it pretty, make it actually render text. Yeah, basically from there build the game. Well, at least the title. Titles came from now. Okay, so let's get into it. Right now I just imported all the characters. As you can see, these are the like text, like A, B, C, D. This is probably like not the best way to do it, but I really don't care. So let's see. Right. Now I'm gonna make a simple in the class graphical user interface. I'm gonna make a simple thing that renders text. But first I have to apply all these things into the manifest, which means that they will actually be loaded into the game. Okay. Right, so I got all the characters done now, and I'm just gonna check real quick if they actually load, because if they don't, we're having a problem. All right, so as you can see, here I also imported the buttons, and the button start, middle, and end look like this. So we have start, middle, and end. All right, this is harder than I thought. I'll be back in a solid second. All right, so I think I fixed it. I do have some magic numbers, which or magic characters, I mean, which is bad, or like some hard-coded stuff, which is bad. But if it becomes an issue, I'll get into it later. But for now, I made it possible to load every character, and I'm gonna test the rendering of text. All right, so let's see if it works. Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. Please, you see that? Hello world. It says hello world. All right. So that's pretty simple, right? That's pretty simple. Now I'm gonna make it so I can make the text bigger and it shows better, that kind of stuff. You know. Also add spaces because spaces aren't a thing yet. Let's go. All right. So after taking a break and going to the toilet and like switching around some code, adding the size variable. Now it should be bigger, except the spacing hasn't changed, so it's all cramped up. Yes, that's what I expected. That's good. What's this? What's that dark stuff? That's no problem. That's no problem. I'll fix it. Ah, we have text anyway, so it's fine. This is amazing. Alright, so I managed to fix the character, like the character spacing, and now you can really see what it's doing. This is definitely not supposed to happen. So I'm gonna look at the processing reference and see. Yes, we managed to get it working. All right. So what I had to do was p graphics OpenGL g dot texture sampling. I'm not sure what it does. I saw online like that it works. I'm gonna delve into why it works for a second, and then I'm gonna continue working on the game. And we got it working now, as you can see. I'll show you again. I'm just gonna real quick say here that if it draws a character and it's a space, that it just makes it blank, so that spaces work. All right. All right. So if I'm correct, now I should be able to just go to render manager, say draw hello world, and then here say draw under it negative 28, let's say. Welcome to. It automatically capitalizes everything. And here I could say negative, what's 28 times 2 is 56. Welcome to Dutch! Exclamation mark, exclamation mark. So now, if I do this, it should show that. Please. Okay. Yes, hello world. Welcome to Dunge. It's kind of overlapping, but it's fine. It does work, and I'm very happy with that because now I can get into making buttons. Let's go. Right, so how do buttons work? Well, actually, it's very simple. So what we do is we just say, all right, draw text, but just draw a button behind it. And then it can have variable length too. We can hard code the length. Like in Minecraft, you have like one big button sprite, but you can also say the button should have the same length as the string of characters, which I'm gonna do. All right, so if I'm correct, well, okay, if you look at this code and you're like, what the fuck are you writing? um, relax, it's my first time writing Java. I'm coming from C Sharp, right? So I'm not the best coder. But yeah, let's see. And now in draw button, all I have to do is say draw text x, y, and then the text with the was it empty? Almost, almost. This is nice. This is good. This is very good, actually. Take a look at this. We almost got it working, okay? This looks very ugly in my opinion, so we'll make it a bit cleaner and then, yeah, we'll get there. We'll get there. Mhm, mhm. Alright, so we kind of got it working here. You can see the button here has a start and an end, and now we just have to display the middle, and I'll be done. Alright, so as you can see, we're getting closer. We're almost done. But we have a button now, and it's just not closing. But we can easily fix that. Yes, it works. All right, it works. So now I can say set the size to like 3, and here I can say in the render manager I can say um, start playing, and then here what it does, it accepts a lambda function. So here I can just put whatever code I want, and that'll happen when I press the button. So here, no, here, I'm gonna say that the background for the title screen should be green, and then the game screen, I'm gonna split this up, of course, because one big thing isn't very useful. And then game should have the background 255, 255, which is red plus blue, purple, or magenta. For the nerds. Nerds call it magenta, I just call it purple. Okay, so start playing. Oh, right, of course, I didn't add interactions yet. Let's do that. I think I'll wrap it up here, and then next time we're gonna work on the animations. I'll real quick show you what it does now. Let's remove this. So start playing button is here. You press it and you go to the second screen. Go back to title. This you have to fix, like you have to click it and not be able to hold it down and yeah, have it switch very fast. But that's it for today. Wish you a very nice day further. Bye bye.